What's the meaning of cream tea? Cream tea. Cream tea.
Cream tea. Cream tea. Cream tea is a British afternoon tradition that involves the consumption of tea with scones, clotted cream, and jam. Typically, the scones are split in half and topped with a generous dollop of clotted cream, followed by a spoonful of jam. The tea is usually served alongside the scones. This combination of flavors and textures creates a lovely balance of sweet and creamy with a hint of tartness from the jam. Cream tea is a delightful treat to enjoy during a relaxing afternoon break or social gathering with friends.